everyone, Rutika Patel here from Samarpan Gyan School, Rata. Today we are going to start with Social Science Geography, chapter number 3, Minerals and Power Resources. So let's begin. Let's talk about what are minerals. Minerals are resources. What are minerals? Minerals are naturally occurring substances found in the earth's crust. Minerals have distinct physical properties such as color and hardness, and the chemical properties such as solubility. So, the naturally occurring substance that has definite chemical composition is called minerals. Let us talk about the few facts on the minerals. There are 3000 minerals inside the earth's crust. 90% of the earth's minerals are just made up of 10 minerals. Common minerals like silicates, aluminium, iron, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and etc. They are found in the pure states in the ore form, which are rocks containing minerals. Ores are classified into high and low grade ores. High grade ore consists high mineral content and less impurities. It has less impurities and mineral content is high, whereas low grade ores are low mineral content and they have more impurities inside it. As you can see the examples given over here. Here the gold content is more and the impurities are less. Here the extra part is more and the lesser gold amount. There are two types of minerals, classification of minerals. But before that, let me tell you the minerals formed in the different types of geological environment under varying conditions. So minerals are not equally distributed all over the world or anywhere. They are all unequally distributed. They are created by the natural process without the human interference. Without any human interference, they are created with the natural process. And also they can be identified, as I told you, they can be identified on the basis of their physical property like color, density, hardness, and chemical properties such as solubility. So let's move ahead with our topic, types of minerals. So there are two types of mineral, metallic and non-metallic. These are the two types of toys which are representing. This is metallic toy and this is the soft toy which is non-metallic. This is made up of plastic. So the metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. So what are metallic minerals? Metallic minerals are the minerals containing the metals in the raw form. It contains metal. And the other thing, the metals are the hard substances that conduct heat and electricity, have luster and shine, for example iron and bauxite. Now what are non-metallic minerals? They do not contain any metals like limestone, mica, coal, petroleum. They don't have any metals. Now this metallic minerals are again classified into two types. Minerals are classified into two types. Now this metallic minerals are again classified into two. Let's move. So metallic minerals are of two types, ferrous and non-ferrous. So ferrous minerals contain iron ore, manganese, cremonites. Most of the iron and the steel industries and the heavy depends on this mineral. It contains ferrous. Ferrous means it contains iron. And non-ferrous minerals do not contain any iron like gold, silver, copper, lead, etc. Next, Extraction of minerals. So minerals can be extracted by the three types of mining. First is mining, drilling and quarrying. Now the extraction of mineral is done by three methods. So let's move ahead. Mining process. It is a process by taking out mineral from the rock buried under the earth's surface. Mining process wherein the minerals are buried under the earth surface. There are two methods of mining, open cast mining and shaft mining. Have a look at it. What is the open cast mining? You can see here in an open area the mining is done. This is open cast mining in New Zealand. Next, you can see the underground mining methods, how the machineries are working under the earth's surface, digging out. You can see the people working in the shaft minings. You can see how the mud is pumped out, how the machineries go inside, the driller go inside and brings out minerals for our utilization. Now drilling. What is drilling? Deep wells are bored to take out mineral. Wells we know, and deep wells are bored with the boring machines and then the minerals are drilled out. You can see the drilling method, how it is going deep inside the earth crust and it is being drilled out. You can see it. Quarrying. What is quarrying? In the process of quarrying, minerals that lie near the surface are nearby the earth surface and so simply they are dug out, and it is known as the quarrying process of mining. So we have come up to the end of today's lecture. We have come across the meaning of what is mineral, the naturally occurring substance. We have also seen that they are not equally distributed because they are formed in the different geological environments, and also they are created by the natural process without any human interference. They can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, and on the chemical property of solubility. Also we have come across the types of minerals, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic which has metals in the raw form, and non-metallic which do not have any metals in the raw form. Metallic are further divided into two parts, that is furious and non-furious. Furious minerals contains iron, whereas non-furious do not contain any iron. We have seen the three methods of extracting the mineral: mining, drilling and quarrying. Mining has further two types, that is open cast mining and shaft mining. Open cast mining, you have seen the minerals that lie at this shallow depth. They are not very deep inside, they are at this shallow depth, and that is known as open cast mining. And this shaft mining are done in the deep bores. Okay, and this is shaft mining. We have also seen the drilling method where the deep wells are bored to take out the minerals, and the quarrying methods wherein the minerals are simply dug out is known as quarrying. So here we come to an end of today's topic. We will meet with the next topic, distribution of minerals, in the next video. Till then, bye.